You know what we haven't done a lot this year? And that's earbuds. We haven't done a lot of earbuds this year. So we're doing some earbuds today and tomorrow because the folks over at Soundpeats, and we've done Soundpeats earbuds before. They have their new Soundpeats Operas on Kickstarter right now. So right now they have about a $65,000 in their pledge out of their $26,000 goal. That matters. And we're going to be looking at their Opera 03s. And tomorrow, just watch, the Opera 05s. So just realize this isn't an in-depth review. This is really a kind of first look what comes in the box. And how do they sound both in your ears and... I guess really it's in your ears. And how the mic sounds. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so number one, before we get in, realize this is a Kickstarter, and a lot of people don't trust Kickstarter, and I appreciate that. Any of us that have done Kickstarter campaigns through Kickstarter, Indiegogo, etc., can you be burned? Probably more so on Indiegogo than you can in Kickstarter, but realize that you are funding the creation of these devices and backing the creation, not going to a store and buying it. Which kind of means, and what you kind of get as a bonus is that you get it first, and secondly, you usually get it at a discount if all goes well, right? Now, the bonus is we have it in its packaged retail box ready to go, which is a really good sign that we should be good. And it's Soundpeats. Soundpeats has been around for a bit, so I think they're doing all right. Anyways, this is the Opera 03s. Opera 03s right there. If you guys want to see all the technical stuff, right, you can go onto their Kickstarter page. They're going to have everything between the 03s and the 05s, right? So it does high-res audio and LDAC codec, which is awesome, but I don't know if that's even on an iPhone. I think that's an Android kind of deal. Either way, I'm going to be testing on a iPhone, and we'll be able to get an idea of how they sound. Okay, so this is the box right here. You guys are seeing it. Like I said, that means the production side has started. That's excellent. And it's a lovely box as far as boxes go. Crack that open. How does this... Oh, it opens this way. That's just in there. That's in there. Okay. Sweet. Sweet deal. So first off, is there anything on the top here? First off, all right, put that over there. It comes with this, which is, it looks like your app introduction. What? It has an app. Oh, I love apps. Steps are shown. Oh, that's cool. Okay, we're going to have to show you the app. Now, the real question is, we'll check for firmware upgrades and all that. Download. Please download the Soundpeats app. All right, so let's just do that. We'll take a look. Soundpeats. Soundpeats. I'm guessing it's that one. Is my guess. I would have liked to have seen a QR code in there, but it wasn't. So we'll let that download because I think that's it. Okay, download that. The QR code would have been nice, unless it's in the full manual, which is a possibility. Let's take a look. Connecting. Does it talk about the app at all? No, it does not. Okay, so be it. So I'd like to see that in there. That would have been nice. Okay, and then we get tips. I'm guessing tips, right? These are going to be tips. Oh, it was put together nice. That was my own fault. They're not really in there. They just lay in there. So just make sure that when you open those, that you don't just splatter them all over the place. But there you go. You got a whole bunch of different. Well, you got two different sizes. Cool. Small USB A to USB C. Again, I'm going to complain about that, but whatever. And then last but not least, no, I shouldn't put that there. It's sort of getting away. I got too much crap here. Last but not least, here they are. This is Soundpeats 03s. I like the case. It's a little bigger than some, but it's got a classy look to it. It's got is that a rosy gold? Kind of a rosy gold trim on it. Soundpeats on the back. That's slick. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is nice. There is looks like a little light on the front there. That's cool. And maybe a light on the back for charging. All right, I'm down. And we got our Soundpeats, but before we do that, let's go into my settings here and Bluetooth. Okay, we'll put you somewhere so you guys can see this. Yes. Go to the bottom. Ready? Open. Do these? Ooh. Now they're not going to fire. Those are big. They're not going to fire right away. Now the nice thing is you can see all the blue sticky. Yes? Yes. Which is great because you'll know right away that there is stuff on here. So I'm going to take those off, put those back in. They're fairly large. Be aware of that. And there is a little green light flashing, so that's also good. So the blue stuff, of course, is so that they don't like discharge. You get them in the headphones and the. Are they showing up now? Maybe. I'll do this. Ready? Pop. Anything? Do they have to go in my ears? We'll find out. I got a little white. Aha! Soundpeats 03. Booyah! That's right, booyah. Boom. Connected. Awesome. Ready? Oh, I'm hungry. So hungry. They are large, right? Look at those. Those are large for sure. They're definitely not small. Does it say like the size or the side? I'm pretty sure that says right. I can't read anymore. My eyes are going to crap. All right, here we go. Ready? Yeah, they're definitely. Can you guys see that? Like they're definitely not little, right? And then this one's got blue that looks like an L. Right, it goes in there. They are. See, like. Now, right off the bat, even without turning them on, like they definitely have some, just like a passive noise canceling, which is good. They seal really good. Now, just realize too, there's different sizes. So if you put them in and they're too big or too little, change the earbuds. That should be the tips. That should be easy enough. Soundpeats app. Let's see if this does anything. Would like to, yes. Would like to, allow, agree. Oh, I gotta log in. Boo! All right, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all registered. Now just realize, oh, there we go. Boom. Upgrade. Soundpeats. Yeah, do it. I guess. Upgrade. All right, well, this is upgrading. The first thing is you have to put in your email and you have to create a password if you've never done this before. At that point in time, it sends you an email. Now realize the whole email that I got was in Chinese or Japanese or some Asian language. Which is fine. I couldn't read it, but there's the 6-digit code in there, which is legible, readable. So you just take the code and pop it in and you're good. And then it asked me if I wanted to upgrade my firmware. So yes, that's what I'm doing. And we'll be back once this is upgraded. Okay, so firmware says it's done and that they're restarting. So I'm waiting for that to happen, I guess. Now, while this is happening, something just dinged. That's good. It did come up and say, what did it say? A difference between the Opera 5s and Opera 3s while I'm here. And they say that, oh, there we go. Except for the different colors, you can figure out that the Opera 05s get dual balance armature drivers and the Opera 03s gets a single balance armature drivers. Other specs are the same. Compared with traditional dynamic drivers, the balanced armature drivers focuses on the critical high-end portion of the audio spectrum, which offers improved fidelity, realism, and details. Nice. Anyways, here's just a quick kind of look at the app right there, right? Shows my battery, 90-80%. There's a help. Is that all the kind of... Oh, there's little settings down here. Volume control. Custom equalizers. It has a presets, so you can go in there and check on bass boost, bass reduction, electronic, fashionable. That's cool. That's nice. Turn that off, turn it on. Can I just not have it? Soundpeats Classic, I guess. Just stay there. Custom equalizer, and then you have your active noise canceling mode, which I guess I'm on. Transparency mode, if I do that, Oh yeah, and she even comes up and says pass through, and you can hear the pass through. Yep. Disable touch key. Okay, you can do that if you want, and that's kind of it. And then there's normal mode. She kind of has a weird echo when she talks normal mode. Normal mode. Let's just see. And see. It's not a great test, but yeah, I think it's a 30 dB active noise canceling. So it's I've seen higher for sure, like something to go up to like 35, 38. 30 is okay. It's decent, right? And I think like if we're in here, it pulls kind of the sound out. Now I have a little air conditioner going on over there. It's gone. It's drowned out completely. Put that back. Normal mode. Yeah, I can hear it. So yeah, that's fine. And then you got your volume. So it's not a ton of stuff in here, but it's all right. It's something, right? Plus you can do your firmware updates and all that kind of stuff. So that's cool. That's all right. All right. So let's go and listen to music, of course. So we're going to go to, I was listening to some Disturbed. So that's happening, right? We'll start at the beginning. Just give it a listen. Oh yeah. No, they already sound great. What are these coming in at? The 03s are like $40 or something like that. $49 if you can get them super early bird. $59 kind of normal. Well, those sound really good, actually. Just crank them up. And that's just on the normal equalizer. Oh, those sound really good. Now, you can kind of tell if there's sound leak. Now, I have these up at about, let's say, 80% volume. Let's crank them right up. No distortion. Okay, no, that's really good. Those sound good. And the E5s are supposed to sound better. E5s. O5s are supposed to sound better? Really? Okay. All right. I'm impressed with just these ones, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's go in here and find the song that I listen to all the time. Blinding Light, because I like that song. Well, now we get to hear it with this. Has some pretty decent bass in it. Blinding Light, right? So I still got it up at around, I don't know, we're up probably around 90%. Oh yeah, the bass is solid and there's no distortion on it. Just crank it right up, 100%. Oh yeah, no, that's great. For $49, $59? Oh yeah, no, that's all right. Okay. Those are actually quite good. And I don't know what the sound leak is like. You guys will be able to hear it. My mic's just right out of shot, so. All right. That's excellent, actually. That's really good. All right. Our last little test, of course, is going to be for the mic. So we're going to just bring up Filmic Pro here. All right, guys. So we are doing the mic test. Here it is. This is what it sounds like. So the one thing that I find is a little weird is that when you put this in the 03s, you without talking, there's definitely some like crackling, and it's like it's trying to remove sound out of the background, even though there's really not a lot there except for like the air purifier going. But as soon as you start talking, that kind of goes away. I am using Filmic, and it is monitoring. And the monitoring sounds pretty good, but it does have this weird sound before you stop or when you stop. So if I stop right now, actually, no, it's fine. Maybe it was just at the beginning for some reason. That's a little strange. But you guys are hearing what it sounds like, and that's it. Back to the normal mic. Win. That's a 03s. Total win. So if I come here, again, I always just test this, and nowadays this should be a given, but if I'm in my Bluetooth here, right, in my Bluetooth, there's my Soundpeats 03s right there. So I am going to open this, take these out, pop them in there. They're snazzy looking, right? Close that. Connected, not connected. Boom, almost dropped them. Green light. Charging. They're pretty. They're nice. They sound fantastic. And again, I haven't heard the mic you have, but the monitoring when it's funneling it through sounded very good. All right, guys, if you can get these for like $50, $60 US, and you don't mind ordering from Kickstarter, you know what? It's they sound awesome, really good. Tomorrow we're going to take a look at the 05s. Yeah, same deal, but better, I guess. All right, my friends, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will put links to Soundpeats Kickstarter page, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.